Don't hurt nobody. Oy vey. Hi, this is Ariel, and this is my YouTube channel. Today we're doing the final look of the Halloween series, and today's look, the last look, is Bring It On. I'm gonna be dressing up as one of the main characters in the movie, Gabrielle Union. So we're gonna start off with the hair. So I'm going with the hairstyle of the competition day, where I do half pony. It's simple hairstyle, half ponytail. Cause I have to throw. Okay. How does that look? Pretty poetic justice kind of style. And I'm gonna use something I don't usually use because I do not foresee this happening. Edge control. Yeah, we're just gonna do it for today. I don't know. So like, it goes with the cheerleader look, honestly. Polished. Like, they do all that girly primping stuff, the makeup, even though they're gonna sweat it out. I'm like, oh god, I wanted to be a cheerleader when I was young. But that is a no. That was not happening. I am not that coordinated. And then I'm just gonna kind of smooth this and, you know, do the little swoop thing that everyone does. I'm one of them natural girls who don't do the swoop thing. It's so weird to do. Okay. I'm gonna put the scarf on. It is the end of July, and I hear fireworks. I don't know if you will hear that. So we're gonna start off the look with my favorite face primer. It is the Hourglass Veil. So just, I like the feeling. It has like not a grainy feeling, but it has like it's very satin. It feels like your face is a fabric. It feels like it doesn't feel like skin. It feels like something really flat. I put some on my eyes because I don't really use eye primers. One thing I hope to grow from this channel is my makeup skills. I am not the best. I wish I was like Jackie Ann, where I would blend stuff in and it would look beautiful, but mine always end up looking muddy. We will get there. Hopefully so. We're gonna start off with something I always start my face off with. Brows. Oh, there it is. You know, I always gotta do my eyebrows because I do not have any. I barely have any. In the movie, she kind of has small, medium, not too skinny, but not too thick. Gotta realize this movie was in the 2000s, so it's very old school SM phase, but not into the whole 2010 thick eyebrow phase that everyone's into. So I'm just filling in my natural eyebrows, making it a little smoother because I have these little sharp corners in my eyebrows. For her face, it was very like little beat, very natural. No heavy contouring, no beamy highlight. It's like, you know, you've seen those movies. Legally Blonde, 13 Going on 30, Mean Girls. It was like very simple, my type of makeup. Basic, but good basic makeup. I'm gonna blend this out with a foundation brush, and I'm using, I'll tell you what I'm using. I'm using e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, Satin finish. and I like it. At first I thought this color was a little too dark for me, but or was it too light? I thought it was too dark actually, but actually working out better for me because I got darker, especially in the top of my face because of the corona. So wearing a mask all day. I'm making these videos beforehand, and I just hope I get to actually, you know, I'm gonna wear a costume no matter what. Doesn't matter. I don't care what the store. I'm wearing a costume. Where are you going? Supermarket. I don't know what this is now, but I'm just gonna blend it out a little more before I put the foundation on. Before you come and tell me I'm doing my makeup wrong, I'm not a makeup artist. I wish I was. Now we're gonna use for foundation the Fenty Hydrating Long Wearing Foundation. It's one of my favorite I thought the first one that came out was one of my favorites, but this one is really like, just I just always reach for this one. I don't even, the matte one is more for going out long time, but this is like really just, I want to take pictures, and this is my, I want to take nice pictures, have smooth skin. I want to just like look a little done up, not too much. I could do a little more heavy on that eyebrow. Okay, slight contour, slight highlight. Remember, this movie was made in 2000. It's easy, like, oh, just add a little more. No. I'm gonna keep it with the roll. For contour, I'm using the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance, medium to dark. And I'm gonna use the contour color. This is, see how I hit pan? And this looks crazy. Actually, so just do that. Just a light sculpt, nothing crazy. I feel like I don't have the contour on my face because my forehead is so dark at the. It's like really natural beat, but natural beat. Now we're gonna do my nose a little bit. Honestly, this is like my everyday look. So I think this is why I like this costume idea so much. I'm going to highlights, and I'm gonna use a small little brush because, you know, I'm not going to overdo it. I'm gonna use this old dusty Forever 21 highlighter because it's just perfect, and I can't find it anymore. It's like a nice brown. It's a bronzer actually. It's not a highlighter. It's a bronzer. Forever 21. Nothing. So I'm just gonna put this like here. Put this like here. And then I'm gonna just. It's a bronzer. It's not even a highlighter. I think this is one of my favorite movies because it teaches, like, for a movie that was in 2000, it seemed like it was a movie made now, like consciously about, like, before it had a term, cultural appropriation and stuff like that. And it kind of touched on that whole stealing and not giving credit, and you know, and I liked it, that, and also stealing and not being better than the people you stole it from. And she said, I loved it, Gabrielle's part, because it was like she was strong, but she wasn't, they didn't make her into like a mammy, or like black people are monolithic, and it doesn't, we're all come in different personalities, but it was a personality you don't see that much in movies, and I really liked it that, like, it was just, she was strong, but she wasn't, people perceived as, oh, you're loud and wrong, da, da, da. No, she was factual. She was like, hey, we know what you've been doing. That redhead chick who been coming in recording, we know y'all still is. You think it's cold, brr, it's cold in here, must be something wrong with the app. Like, you think, she was like, you think you created that? No, no bueno. And I'm going with the makeup style of the parking lot, where she confronts them, like, yo, tell your little redheaded friends I'll stop coming around here. Gabrielle had like a dark purple kind of lip, but it was like a soft pouty kind of color. It was like sweet and club upper. So I'm just gonna go and and I'm gonna go overboard. So, also, eyes. She kind of had a nude, not a nude, but like a kind of light color. A little bit of this in the middle. Brush it out. A little sparkly. Do you like my shirt? I got it from Forever 21. I used to shop in the men's section, like I had some boyfriend or something. I was just, oh my god. The men's section, Forever 21 was my favorite. It's just the best. Okay. I'm gonna mix the Jaclyn Hill's color because I don't have a dark brown color, sad to say. I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill's in Temptress. Look how pretty this is. And I'm gonna mix that with the Julia's, did I say it right? Zulu palette. And I'm gonna mix it with this brown color right here. I have a nice brown shade. And I'm just gonna put that in the corner. It's like it's brown black, but it's like it's the closest thing I got it. I'm gonna have simple cat eye. No wings and stuff like that. No. Just little. Well, but I am not the most elegant. Like I said, we're gonna get better. I'm using Elf's Jet Black liquid liner. You know, it's easy. I could buy a dozen of them without spilling. Because I like to buy dozens of a lip gloss and dozens of eyeliner and dozens of eyebrow pencils because I always end up losing them in the house. And then when I need them, I don't have it. Okay. I think I nailed the look. Let's take over here. Okay. So in the movie, she kind of has like these little kid bubbles. I said either you could go for hair bow or little bubbles. I'm gonna just stick to like the movie and just add some hair bubbles. I don't know how to do this. These are small ones, they're not like the little big ones, so I'm just gonna add like several of them and make it work. So you can either go with this, go with this. Go with this, or go with this. I may do this one because it's like really cheerleadery, even though it's not in the movie. She had like this, but it's up to you. And now it's time to put on the costume. Okay, so this was the costume I bought from the same company before, the Catwoman outfit. I ended up exchanging it for a bigger size, but I had no problems with it, and so I felt confident to buy it from them again. This was a size small medium, but on the tag it shows medium. I don't know what happened. I may get it taken in a little bit if I end up losing more weight. But right here I'm dancing to Jamaica's Candid Heart, which was Napoleon Dynamite's known dance scene. Yeah. Okay. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on here. This time I wanted to actually get a Halloween costume that I was comfortable in. Intricate ones are cute, but sometimes you want to have fun. I'm doing a little YMCA right now. I don't know why. Okay. Don't hurt nobody. Okay. Okay, that was the last look of our Halloween series, and I think I'm really, really satisfied. Such a simple look, but sometimes I mess up in life. Or things don't come out as planned, but hey, I'm really satisfied with this look, and I actually enjoyed it, and I can't wait to go out to the grocery store or wherever I'm allowed to go outside during this quarantine. Maybe even walk my dog. And that's it, and turn myself into a cheerleader. And I hope you come again. And this is Ariel, and this is my YouTube channel. I hope you subscribe, like, share, comment. Tell me what you're gonna wear for Halloween. I'm really curious, especially with everything 2020. You can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on YouTube, TikTok, same username, Ariel AT. Peace out. Or better yet, Ariel AT. Well, that's not ET. Like, I gotta ET. Ariel ET. Peace out. Phone home. We're going home. Bing. Bye. See you again.